Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In my previous video I had some problems with VLC, and before we start a rumor that VLC doesn't work on the Pinebook Pro with Manjaro, I'm gonna show you that it actually does work, but you only need to make one simple change in the preferences. So we're going to start I'm going to start VLC. That's of course in multimedia, VLC media player. And when you go to Tools, Preferences, then go to Video, then there's the output. So by default it's set to automatic, but you need to set it to X11 Video Output XEB, and then it will start working. So when we have, I don't know if I already did that. Oh well, we'll just take this one. VLC media player, and then you'll see it plays without a problem. And as we noticed before, I selected the DVD decryptor. So when we say open disk, it's a DVD, and we say play. Now you see that the matrix is actually playing, and we'll skip through some scenes. And we'll skip quite quickly before we get any copyright claims. Oops. So I hope you're all convinced now that VLC does work without any problems. Well, you only need to make one change in the preferences. And just as a preparation, I'm going to install, already selected it actually, a SimpleScreenRecorder, and select it to install. We do apply, and usually I just check all the optionals, so I already tried it before. And then it says the optional thingy can't be found. Now that's a bit weird, so we can apply again. We'll keep it unchecked. And now it says it can install SimpleScreenRecorder. Just as a preparation. Probably here. Yes, SimpleScreenRecorder. Yes, continue. So we'll pick ALSA. Well, it's showing much more options than what we saw with the default Debian image. But since I have the RØDE USB external microphone, I'll plug it in. And I don't know if there's, yes, there's a refresh. And here we can see we can select it. So this was just a quick video to show that VLC does work. And now we've done the preparations for SimpleScreenRecorder. So that's it for today. Well, it's already the new day, but it still feels like today. So I'm gonna end this video. It's time to go to bed. And I'll see you in the next video.